Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. Let's check out this 1969 Chevelle big block 454 automatic trans, power disc brakes all the way around, sitting on American racing wheels. Just a beautiful, beautiful stance. Dark blue metallic. Look at that. What a beast. Just a really nice car. I'm going to go through the car with you so you know exactly what you're getting. Look at that thing. Beautiful paint. Great reflection. Deep. Paint is in real good shape. Get a little bit closer and intimate with it in a minute. Let's just give you a quick look around it. Then we'll get close and see what we've got for you. Great stance. American racing wheels, good look. SS badging all the way around. All the doors, trim, everything lines up the way it should. That's a beautiful face. Just nice. Hood lines upright. Roof is great. All the chrome around the windshield is good. Wipers are intact. Glass is real good. Passenger side, chrome around there, good. Chrome door handles, nice. Front bumper, real good. Chrome is in good shape with one little dent right in there. Like I said, it's a 454, been redone. American racing wheels, disc brakes, slotted. All your badging's good. Paint lays down good. No imperfections except a few little things. There's one little thing on the bottom here I see. Chrome mirror is good. Chrome around the window is good. Weather stripping, nice. Chrome around the passenger window's great. Roof is in good shape. Rear window in good shape, chrome around there as well. Like I said, it lines up good, all your panels, just done right. Rear chrome bumper, real good condition. A couple tiny little bubbles here. That's it. Great driver. Great, great driver. Nothing on the rear quarter panel that I could see. Door handle's good, all the way down, in great shape. Rear power disc brakes as well in the back. Just done beautifully. And another little tiny little thing there. Power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the cabin in a second. Go through there. Great stance. Really nice, no disappointments. All right, let's go inside and take a look at the cabin. Okay. Door panels are good. No rust to be found all the way through. I've taken a bunch of pictures of the underneath. It's really clean underneath there. Really nice car. Bucket front seats. Seat belts are intact in front. Back seats in good condition. Rear deck. Headliner in great shape. Sun visors are there. A nice little gauge package. Sitting there aftermarket. Everything seems to be working properly the way it should. Got a little cracking on your dash. Custom steering wheel. Nice, clean interior. Carpets are intact. Passenger door panel is good. Just a nice clean car. Good solid beast. Just looking at it. Just sharp, sharp, sharp. Let's fire this beast up. Good oil pressure, good amps. Just started, so you got no temperature yet, but that's how she sounds. Nice. Nice throaty. Got a nice little cam in there. Trunk is really clean. Sorry about that. Got your originals there. Lines up really good, the trunk. What a great sound. Listen how quiet. Big block 454 built, high-rise manifold, power steering, power brakes, real clean underneath. By the headers, this thing's been driven, which is good. All your hoses are good. Belts are good. Solid, solid engine. Give you one more little taste of the way it sounds. Now, if you're looking to do some financing and your score is anywhere from a 625 to a 739, go directly to my website and fill out the application, and all apps will be called in. 84 months on financing, 10% down at the minimum. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. They generally give you an approval within 24 hours and do the wire right to your bank with the funds. My name is Earl. You can reach me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We've got over 120 cars in inventory. Everything's online with photos and descriptions. We have delivery right to your door. Text me your zip code or call me and I can give you a quote on it at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as like us on Facebook, and you'll be seeing more of me. Have a great day, everybody. MGM Classic Cars, mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois.